Everyone, let us start class with prayer. रागादिरोगान् सततानुशक्तान् शेषकाय प्रसृतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहारतिदान् यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तस्मै. So we were studying Dravyadi Vijnaniya, where we have come across Gurvadayo Gunadravye Pruthivyadav Rasashreye Raseshu Vyapatnishyante Sahacharyopacharatah. So next we have are the uh, dravyas which are predominant with one of the Mahabhutas. So तत्र द्रव्यम गुरुस्थूल स्थिरगंध गुणोर्बणम पार्थिवम गौरवस्थैर्य संघातोपचयावहम. So tatra, among the dravyas. Okay, so tatra word is there. Teshu parthivadishu panchasu dravyeshu madhye. So the first dravya they are talking about is parthiva dravya. A very nice word is been given, ulbana. So what is that ulbana? Ulbana shabdena etena द्योतयति पार्थिवे द्रव्ये अपि पार्थिवे द्रव्ये अन्ये अपि गुणाः सन्ति सर्वद्रव्याणां पांचभौतिकत्वात्. Yes, because parthiva dravya is a dravya first, then we are naming on the basis of vyapadeshastu bhuyasa as a parthiva dravya. Okay, so as it is a dravya, it has to be panchabhautika. So only predominance of Prithvi Mahabhuta is there, so we are naming it as Parthiva Dravya. That does never mean that Jala, Agni, Vayu and Akasha are absent in Parthiva Dravya. No. Okay. So in the Parthiva Dravya, rest all Mahabhutas will be there, but the degree of presentation of Prithvi Mahabhuta is more than the rest of the Mahabhutas. So the Dravya we are calling it as Parthiva Dravya. So they are telling Ulbana Shabda. Okay, so the Ulbana word meaning is Utkata Guna. Okay, so they are talking about the Utkata Gunas of Parthiva Dravya. Or maybe because of these Utkata Gunas, the Dravya is considered as Parthiva. So what is that? Guru. The first guna they are talking about is Guru. Gauravadikaram. Sthula. Next is Sthira. Gandha Gunolbanam. Okay, as you know, Tatra Gandhavati Prithvi. Okay, this is a quote which you studied in first year of your BMS in the Padartha Vijnana. Okay, whenever you were talking about Prithvi Mahabhuta. Okay, so it is a innate property of Prithvi. So Gandha Gunolbanam. Gaurava Sthairya Sanghata Upachayavaham. So these all words are familiar to you, so no need of explaining, I guess. Okay, so Upachaya, the Hemadri tells it is Thaulya. Okay, Sanghata is a Kaঠিnya. Guna Shabdo Atra Dharmavachi. Ulbana Grahanam Sarvesham Sarvadharmatvat. Yes. So Ulbana word has to be taken everywhere. So Guru Ulbana, Sthula Ulbana, like that. Okay, so Parthiva Dravya is Ulbana in these all properties. So Guru, Sthula, Sthira, Gandha, Gaurava, Sthairya, and Sanghata Upachaya. Yes, okay, so because of these gunas, so because of Guru Guna, Gaurava comes. Because of Sthula Guna, Sthairatva comes. Okay, Sthula and Sthira Guna, Sthairatva comes. So it is like that we have to consider. Okay, so um, in Chikitsa, these things come across. So maybe every time physician may not name this and give a treatment, but always in your mind, this particular thinking will be going on, no doubt. Okay, so for example, if chalata of vata is increased in XYZ disease, okay, at that time some sthirata has to be provided. So we think about Parthiva Ulbana Dravyas, okay, so or Parthiva Dravyas. where sthirata is one among the qualities. So the chanchalatva will be taken away and sthiratva will be given. So for example, as I treat ocular diseases in my OPD, so there will be the Vartma Harsha kind of conditions visible. Okay, there's a post iridocyclitic changes. Okay, so patient approach to me after the continuous steroidal load over the eye. Okay, that may result into the Vartma Harsha kind of conditions. So at that time, Chalatva of Vartma is increased. Okay, so Nimesha and Unmesha Kriya is pathologically increasing. So there, Chalatva is being increased in the lid. So the for Chalatva, the Sthiratva has to be given. Okay, so whenever we talk about Sthira, we have to trace towards or we have to go towards Parthiva Dravyas. So maybe through this Sneha Yoni I can go, okay, or I can choose something or a Kriya Kalpa where the Sthiratva is more. So maybe Pindi or Bidalaka kind of things I can apply there. Okay, so in that purview we treat the condition. So always at the back of your mind these parthiva, apya or taijasa dravya, okay, these things will be going on, but every time you cannot name it as this. Okay, so but thinking will be always towards these gunas. So next we have is आप्य द्रव्य द्रवशीत गुरु स्निग्ध मंद सांद्र रसोल्बणम आप्यम स्नेहन विष्यंद क्लेद प्रह्लाद बंधकृत. Okay, so next is the apya dravya, so which is a predominant of jala mahabhuta. So those dravyas are considered as apya dravyas. So what are the gunas it contains? So drava, shita, guru, snigdha, manda, sandra, and of course rasolbanam, because you know the rasa is the innate property of jala mahabhuta. Okay, so द्रवादि गुणोत्कटम स्नेहनादिकरम च द्रव्यम आप्यम. Very precise manner he has explained. So drava adi gunas are there and snehanadi karmas are there. Those dravyas are considered as apya dravyas. Okay, so what are the karmas attributed to apya dravyas? Those are snehana, then vishandana. So vishanda is sroto srava. Next, kleda and prahlada. Prahlada is nothing but ahlada, that is trupti. Okay, so this is always appreciable. Okay, so whatever the now festival time is going on, so whatever obbattu you eat or rasmalai you eat, whatever you eat, the at last, if you're not drinking a sip of water, till then you may not feel satisfied. Okay, at last a sip of water when you drink, then it will be prahlada, then it is ahlada. Okay, so that is the feeling. Okay, or a person who is addicted to tea, the evening 5 o'clock he needs tea, means tea at any cost he needs tea. Okay, so uh, that is ahlada, that is prahlada, that is trupti, and that is attributed to apya dravyas. Okay, so jaliya mahabhuta predominant dravyas will always give you trupti. Okay, so that is prahlada. So these things we have to again rethink whenever we give treatment. Okay, so it is very much important. For example, whenever you are treating a uh, treating some diseases related to manasika vyadhis, okay, so at that time the patient should feel um, the contentment or fulfillment in their life. Okay, so after the actual chikitsa, whenever you are starting the rasayana, at that time you have to think about these things. Okay, so it should create a snehana, it should create trupti or prahlada in the patient. Okay. So thinking that into mind, you have to choose the um, dravyas. Okay, so it may not be a purely apya dravya, of course. Okay, it can be a combination of apya and parthiva dravya, like that. Okay, or next the agni level, if you are thinking, then even agneya dravyas can be added. So it is like that. Okay, so it is always a single, or it may be in the combination. And as I told, any dravya if you are taking, it has Panchamahabhatikatva in it. So in the Taratama Bhava, all gunas will be there in the particular dravya. Okay? Yes. Next we have is a Agneya dravya. Ruksha Tishnoshna Mishada Sukshma Rupa Gunolbanam Agneyam Daha Bha Varna Prakasha Pachanatmakam. So what is that? Agneyam Lakshayati Ruksha Tishna iti. So Ruksha, Tikshna, etc. gunas are attributed to Agneya Dravyas. Rukshadi Gunotkatam Dahadikaram cha Dravyam Agneyam. Yes. So Rukshadi gunas are Utkata, and Dahadi karmas are also Utkata, and that particular Dravya is considered as Agneya Dravya. Bha is nothing but Kanti. Okay, so because of the Agneya Dravyas, there will be a Kanti will be given. So maybe Rakta Chandana, okay, these drugs are especially Varnakara or Varna Dravyas. Okay, so here or there, those have some qualities of Agneya Dravya in it. Okay, so Varna Gauradi Varnaha. So Kanti is different and Varna is different. Okay, so the luster is nothing but Kanti. Okay, so uh, though a person is very fair to look, but the luster, if it is not there on face, then you may not appreciate it, or you may not, what to say, like it. Okay, so whenever, or the ulta of it. So you know our God, we have not seen, but still, Shri Krishna. Okay, Shri Krishna. The literature says that he was black, total. Okay, or bluish black he was, but the Kanti, his luster was so beautiful. So everyone used to fall. Today, he is actually invisible. But whatever through the literature we know, Lord Krishna, even we fall for him. Okay, so that is the power of Kanti than the Varna. Okay, so but still Varna and Kanti both are attributed to Agneya Dravyas itself. Prakasha is Alokaha. Okay, so to visualize something, this particular thing is needed. Then Pachana is a Pakaha, and Tadatmakatvam Karyakaranayoho Bhedopacharat. Yes. So Pachanatmakam they are talking about, right? So it is Atmaka word is for Karya Karana Bhedopacharat. Okay, so always there will be a Karya Karana Bheda Upachara in it. Okay, so what is so every transformation, okay, is attributed for this Agneya Mahabhuta. Okay, so that is it's Atma Guna. Okay, so uh, the what to say, mm, wanted things and unwanted things. Okay, segregation is there, right? So that particular thing is done by this Agneya Mahabhuta itself. Okay, so we have to mm, know the innate property of dravya, and that has to be precisely given to a patient. Okay, so for example, whenever we do the Vidrali kind of cases approaches to us, so to do Vipaka, almost we tend towards these Agneya Dravyas. Okay, or we find these gunas in a Dravya, and that Dravya we give to an eye. Okay, so that it will burst and it will come out. Okay, so for that particular line of treatment, we always tend towards these therapies. Okay, so next we have is a Vayaviya Dravya, okay, or Vayu Mahabhuta predominant Dravya. What they are telling? Vayavyam Ruksha Vishada Laghu Sparsha Gunolbadam Rauksha Laghava Vaishadya Vichara Glani Karakam. So what does it do? Raukshatva it creates, then Laghutva it gives, Vaishadhyakara it is, and Vichara Vividha Cheshta and Glani Karakam. Okay, so these are the functions attributed to Vayaviya Dravyas. Okay, so gunas are Ruksha, Vishada, Laghu, and Sparsha. Okay, so these gunas are attributed to Vayaviya Dravyas. Okay, next and last we have is a Nabhasa Dravyas. So Nabhasam Sukshma Vishada Laghu Shabda Gunolbanam Saushirya Laghapakaram. Okay, so Sushiratva and Laghutva is being created with this. So what is that Sushiratva? So Sarandhatvam. Okay, so always keeping space, okay, or always keeping open is nothing but this Saushirya. Okay, so um, um, whenever we give treatment for Pratishaya or Dushta Pratishaya, we always tell them to keep a cotton in their external auditory canal. Okay, just we have to close that meatus. Okay, external auditory meatus always, because the Karna has uh, Adhisthana is Shrotrendriya, and where Akasha Mahabhuta is predominant again. Okay, so Saushirya Laghavakaram, it is been given, right? So if we are letting it like that, then Sushiratva will be hampered, because uh, every chance of enter Vata is there. Okay, because it is the most exposed area. So only in Abhyanga also they have told Shiraha Shravana Padeshu Tam Visheshena Shilayet. Yes, because that is the most exposed area, and especially Shravana is the predominant of Akasha Mahabhuta. Again, Akasha is space, and wherever there is a space, Vata has um, tendency to occupy the space. Okay, so most Vataja Vyadhis are visible in the Karna. Okay, what we the Badhirya, then Karna Shula, the Pranada, okay, Karna Kshveda. Okay, so most of the diseases in the Karna are because of Vata or Vata Kapha, because it is in the Kapha Sthana, in the Shira Pradesha it is, right? So Kapha Sthana. So Vata or Vata Kapha diseases are more in the Karna. Okay, so why I am talking is Sushiratva, so Sarandhatva. So there is a justification to these Randhras, okay, through the Nabhasya Dravyas. So that we have to always think. So with this, we have completed all the um, Panchabhutatmaka Dravyas. Okay, so almost the whole universe we have covered this. Okay, because as you know, Sarvam Dravyam Panchabhautikatvam Asminarthe. Everything is Panchabhautika, and we have studied Panchabhautika Dravyas. Then nothing is left in the universe now. Everything is the Karlo Dunya Mutti mein they call, no? So now the dunya is in your mutti. Okay, so you have to treat easily now. Everything you know now. Okay, Jagatyevam Anaushadham. So very beautiful. In the Jagat, there is nothing called as Anaushadha. Everything is Aushadha Yukta only. Anena Panchamahabhutarabdhena Gurvadigunayogena Dravyanam Jagati, that is Bhuvane Asmin, Anaushadha Bhutam Na Kinchit Dravyam Asti. Yes, there is nothing called Anaushadha. Everything is Aushadha, because everything is made out of Panchamahabhuta. Jagatevam Anaushadham Na Kinchit Dravyate Na Kinchit Vidyate Dravyam Vashan Nanartha Yoga Yoho. So what is that Vashan Nanartha Yoga Yoho? Arthascha Yogascha Artha Yoga. Artha means Prayojanam and Yoga is Yukti. Yes. So you have to apply your yukti thinking it's prayojana, and then you have to choose a dravya and you have to give. यथा अनया युक्तौषधम् इदं योजितम् अस्य रोगस्य विजयाय स्याद् अनयां च अस्य रोगस्य इति नानाविधौ यावर्थयोगौ तयोर्वशात् सामर्थ्यात् सर्वम् अपि द्रव्यम् औषधम् रोगप्रतिकारहेतुत्वात्. Yes. So with this particular yukti, this particular medicine is to be given to that particular disease for the betterment to the patient. So what happens with this idea is, everything is Panchabhautika now. So wherever the Sushruta Siddhanta you have to apply. Okay, so Vruddhaha Shapaitavyaha, Kshidaha Vardhaitavyaha. This can be done easily because everything has the same thread of origin. Okay, everything is originated with the same, or the constitution is same, then it is really easy, right? Okay, so uh, if you have how to say, mm, uh, somewhere the uh, Drava Bhaga is depleted, then externally the same Mahabhuta predominant Dravyas are abundantly available. Okay, so that can be given, and the Drava Bhava, whatever, wherever it has it is came down, so there you can apply it and you can just support it. Okay, because Sarvam Dravyam Panchabhautikatvam, everything is made out of Panchamahabhuta, so it always goes very easy. Okay, so this is the actually beauty of Ayurveda. So the whole universe now, I told, no, the Karlo Dunya Mutti Mein, I told. So they simplify in such an excellent manner that you feel, yeah, everything is in my hand now, and really they give that easy. So they tell about Tridosha Siddhanta, and they tell nothing is possible without Tridosha. Then the decisions become really easy because now you know Tridosha, 100% you know everything about Tridosha. Then everything is easy for you, right? Because only three things you have to worry about. So whatever and whichever the case comes, whatever the starting from simple fever to whatever the now corona and all, but if you can observe Tridosha, then no need of giving name also. Vikaranama Kushala na jiriyat kadachana. Nahi sarva vikaranam namato sidhruvasi. So no need of worrying about its name. Everything is in your hand. Similarly, when you come towards the chikitsa, Jagatyevam anaushadham na kinchit vidyate dravyam vashan nanartha yoga yoga. Only now in your hand, the Pancha Mahabhuta is been given already by our acharyas. Now the thing in the what to say? Now the ball is in your court. What you have to do is nanartha yoga yoga, artha and yoga you have to apply for particular diseases. Okay. Now you have to start your own thinking. How the prayojana and how the yukti is to be applied. For which prayojana, in what yukti you are applying it. That you have to think. Okay. So next one quotation we'll study and we'll stop. Dravyam urdhvagamam tatra prayogni pamanotkatam adhoghami cha bhuyishtam bhumitoya gunadikam. So very general rule about dravyas they are giving now, because they have introduced already what are the apya dravyas and parthiva dravya, etc. Now a general rule regarding them they are telling. What is that? Urdhvagamam dravyam tatra prayah agni pavana utkatam. Yes, whatever the urdhvagami dravyas are there, almost those are predominant with Agni Mahabhuta and Vayu Mahabhuta. And adhoghami dravyas are bhuyishta with Bhumi, that is Prithvi Mahabhuta, and Toya, that is Jala Mahabhuta predominant. Okay. And Akasha Mahabhuta is always apratighatatva. There is nothing to hinder it. Okay. So no need of going up or down for it. Wherever it is there, it will be constant. Okay, and that is why it is Akasha Mahabhuta. Okay, so only these four they are talking because there is nothing to talk regarding Akasha Mahabhuta. So ख प्रकरणे गमेः अपि उपसंख्यानम इति ख. Yes. So kha, that is akasha, is there is no gamana in it. Okay. So only the word kha is being given to this. Okay. So that occupies space, or that provides space wherever it has. That's it. There is no traveling in it. It is always a stagnant thing. So the kha word is been given for akasha. Yes. So urdhvagamam dravyam agnipavanadikam bhavati yatha madana faladi. Yes. So where you have to apply this whenever you are doing the samshodhana karma. Okay. So what is the definition of vamana? So urdhva what urdhvamukham doshaharanam, something, right? So urdhvagam doshaharanam vamana sanyam. So vamana is the thing that through the urdhva bhaga you are taking out the doshas. Okay, so at that time the dravyam urdhvagamam tatra prayogni pavanotkatam, this particular rule you have to apply, and then you have to choose the medicine. So you have to choose a medicine which is predominant of agni and vayu mahabhuta, because those are the things which make uh, the which travel in the upward direction. Okay, and in vamana you have to take doshas in the upward direction. So madana faladi, so madana phala is best example for that. Okay, so which is agni and vayu predominated dravya. यथा हरितक्यादेः अचिन्त्य प्रभावात् यथा सर्पस्य विषम विषमयत्वे अपि तत् फणां मणेर् विषघ्नत्वम्. So some prabhava dravyas they are telling here. Um, Let us not go into it because prabhava concept is there after the like later part of this particular uh, chapter. Okay, so let us not go to that. The thing you have to understand is the urdhva bhaga, uh, urdhvagami dravyas are predominated with agni and vayu mahabhuta, and adhogami dravyas are predominated with bhumi and toya guna. Okay, so for that some exceptions are there. Those exceptions are coming under prabhav. That's it. For example, haritaki is a agni and vata predominated dravya, but still it creates anulomana. Okay, so this is atho bhaga harana dosha. Okay, so that is because of prabhava. Okay, so let us not go into that prabhava. Anyhow we are going to study, but just this is the general rule. Okay, dravyam urdhogamam tatra prayognikovanotkhatam adhogami cha bhuyishtam bhumitoya gunadikam. That's it, you have to understand. Okay, so with this let me stop today. Okay, and next things we will be discussing next class. रागादिरोगान् सततानुशक्तान् अशेषकाय प्रसृतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहारतिदान् जघान यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै.